Telugu speakers, y'all could literally start making $40 to $60 an hour in side hustle money just by offering your Telugu skills. I made a previous video about this for Malayalam speakers and how there's opportunities out there for you guys to work in translation, interpreting work, voiceover work, linguist work overseas. Like, there's many opportunities for y'all to use y'all South Indian language. I spent 6 months in Hyderabad back in 2019 and I learned Telugu to a really good level, and I put it on my LinkedIn profile as well as my resume. And so when I got back to the States, many employers reached out to me to offer me different assignments where I could use Telugu, and I wasn't qualified for all these positions, but it was exemplary of the demand that's out there for Telugu speakers, and they're paying good money because it's hard to find people who are willing to use their Telugu in like a language oriented career. Also, did y'all know this? Because I know that, which also proves that there is a demand for people who speak Telugu to work in different industries. Like I said, I wasn't qualified for these positions, but it still gave me a chance to realize like there's opportunities for you guys to use y'all's language and to earn extra money. Back when I was learning Telugu, I realized there was this idea that these South Indian languages don't really hold any value outside of India, which I almost was convinced of as well, but until I got back home to the States and I put these languages on my resume and realized like many people are reaching out to me for work and for podcasts, and there's actually value in these languages that you guys probably don't think hold any significance outside of India. So if you speak Telugu or any other South Indian language, consider putting it on your resume if you're open to new ways to earn money, because I'm sure there's something out there for you. Think about it.